Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how you can really quickly and easily make an arrow in Davinci Resolve without having to resort to things like Fusion or anything like that. Okay, so how do we do it? Well, it's just a case of adding in a simple text onto your timeline. So I'm just going to go to titles and then just choose the basic title, drag that guy on here. And then for the actual font family on the right hand side, just click and scroll down to where we have Wingdings. So there's Wingdings 1, 2, and 3. Now these fonts you've probably never ever used. They're kind of installed from the beginning of time. And I don't think anybody has probably ever found a particular use of these fonts. But surprisingly enough, the one called Wingdings 3 actually has some arrows, as you can see here. So if we actually remove where it says basic title, and we type the letter F, we have a back-facing arrow. And we can just increase its size like this, and of course we can increase its color to whatever color we want, and we have an instant arrow. Of course, we could actually rotate it, but if we use some of the keyboards here, we have, for example, G, we have a right-facing arrow. And if we go through some of the numbers or the letters, I'm just going to reduce this font down a bit. So you're starting off with Q, we actually have like a little downward facing arrow, one like W here, E, and there's a whole load of different arrows that we can use, just basically typing way through the keyboard, as you can see here, like even a double-headed arrow. And even a sort of funky letter A here, if we make that one nice and big, we also have a nice little arrow, just like that. So if you play around with the Wingdings font, you're going to find you're going to have a whole load of different arrows that you can use nicely and quickly and easily, and just pop it straight onto your timeline. And then, of course, go to settings and just position it exactly where you want. For example, I want to point it over on this right-hand side. So hope it's useful. Nice, quick and easy tip on Davinci Resolve. Enjoy the software, and please, of course, forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on Davinci Resolve. Take care and see you soon.